So let me know, do you think this is the best seat in Bangkok? This is the perfect place to come and have a drink, a coffee with absolutely amazing views. Good morning. It is a Saturday morning around 9 o'clock and I'm here at the Wutthakat BTS station, and the reason that I'm here is because I'm on my way to the Talad Plu District, which is next to the Wat Paknam temple, the giant Buddha here in Thonburi. The main reason that I'm here is because my good friend Om from Hidden Bangkok Tours opened a new bistro right next to the big temple of Wat Paknam. I'm on my way to the Hidden Bangkok Bistro. So today I will show you how to get there with the BTS. I showed you before how to do it with the MRT. I will leave a link in the description of the video that I made there. So I'm lucky today. I have my private driver. Kun Om, how are you?
I'm good. Welcome to Thonburi side.
Good to see you, man. I'm so excited to see your new place.
I'm gonna scooter you to see the biggest Buddha. You know what? Someone said this is AI.
Yeah, people don't believe it, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Well, just so you guys know, I never do AI. It's all real. Bangkok is the real deal. If somebody takes the motorcycle here, what do they have to? But they have to say where to go.
They can actually walk here.
Yeah.
Get the scooter from here.
Yeah.
And say Wat Paknam.
Wat Paknam.
Yeah.
Okay.
From Wat Paknam you can walk.
So here we are at the Hidden Bangkok Bistro. And let me first show you how it looks on the outside. You have a brilliant terrace in here with amazing views of the Wat Paknam. And this is the largest sitting Buddha in Bangkok. There is a bigger one in Isan. But let's go inside. Let me show you how the restaurant looks. Here on the ground floor you have the coffee station. Sawadee krap. And there are actually 3 floors. Yeah, so the views from here are absolutely stunning. I'm so happy you found this place. And I'm happy you told me about it.
Yeah, I'm so lucky and so happy that you are coming here.
Yeah, I mean, it's always a pleasure to come and visit you.
Thank you so much.
But can you show us around
yeah,
a
of
little
course.
bit?
Yeah, maybe we start from the rooftop, you know.
Okay.
I try to keep this rooftop not so many people.
Yeah.
Guys, try to keep it a little bit more quiet. Since
Okay.
we got under the big Buddha right here. We got the canal.
But this is where everybody wants to sit.
I know, right? That should be peace. Right?
Yeah,
More
exactly.
peace around here.
Exactly.
So the rooftop will be, yeah, of course, I put the pool glasses around here.
Yes.
We drink right here because a bit of their bar right there.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put the sofa, put the long table right here. This is still a bit of under construction.
Yes, because you opened 2 weeks ago, right?
Only 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So actually, we do like the first floor first.
Okay.
The coffee. I'm gonna take you guys like to see the second floor.
Okay,
and also the
let's go.
first floor. And this is Pam.
Hello Pam, how are you?
Trying to make this place like not only like the restaurant or the bistro. I'm seeing this place as the experience. If anyone's like want to connect with me and then do like some kind of their sound healing.
Okay.
Want to be like the
Okay.
place, like
Okay.
peace, a bit of the wellness thing.
Okay, so people can do events in here as well.
And then drink up there.
Exactly. So there's another terrace in here.
We just opened like, oh, we're not open yet, but all the customers are already in.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is going to be a super popular place. I hope this video will help you guys to understand how special this place is, and I would definitely recommend to come and have a look. And in the beginning of the video I already showed you how to get here from the BTS stations. You can just get a motorcycle taxi, drive here, and then of course experience Wat Paknam as well. So here we are at the heart of the operation, right? So this is the coffee place. And at the moment you open at 11, right?
11, but this is like just like 1 or 2 minutes before. So,
Yeah.
I mean, thank you so much, guys, like for coming to the
Yeah, let's have a quick look how the shop looks before it opens. Yeah. This is so cool.
So the concept will be like, this is like, used to be, like I said, used to be the front yard.
Yes.
Now we try to turn, face back to the canal again. And we might make like little dock right here.
Okay.
So you guys can take the boat from Bangkok restaurant in the future.
Perfect.
Get off here. Yeah.
Okay, so if you do the Hidden Bangkok tours in the future, you will make a stop here.
Yeah, we can make a stop here, or the people can end up here.
Okay.
And then go to the top. Yeah. Next month we're gonna open like quite early in the morning. I'm not sure exactly.
Okay.
Until 10 p.m.
So in March.
in March.
Yeah.
But now we just open like from 11 to 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just in the startup, right?
Yeah.
I will be back when everything is ready.
Yes, please.
Okay.
with Patty and Gary.
Yes, for sure.
ขอบคุณครับ
Kap. So I just got my croissant with ham and cheese. And I'm gonna enjoy the best view in Bangkok. And I'm gonna ask the big boss.
Not big boss.
Yes.
Not big boss.
No, so we know each other
Many
5,
years.
6, 7 years, I think.
Probably longer.
Right.
Because of the COVID.
Exactly.
6 years ago, right?
So-
maybe 7.
Yeah, so you might know Om from the Hidden Bangkok tours, which is near the Wat Arun.
Yeah.
And if you take the Hidden Bangkok tours, you end up actually here next to the Wat Paknam as well. But now you have your new project.
Yeah. So for the Hidden Bangkok tours, it was make Thonburi great again.
Yes.
So to bring the people from Thonburi, like bring all the Thonburians,
Yeah.
friends,
Yeah.
back to Thonburi, because I believe the opportunity shouldn't be only in the financial district,
Okay. Yes.
in the city.
And you are original from Thonburi, right?
Born and raised.
Yes.
Born and raised. Used to swim in the canal. I was a monk. I used to be a monk in the temple in Thonburi side. And I always question, why do people just cross to Thonburi side? Just only for the tourists, right? Only the temple dawn, Wat
Yes,
Paknam,
yeah.
and then they cross back.
Exactly.
There's a town
Yeah.
behind the pagoda.
Yeah. And a very nice historical area with all the
And
canals.
If you look around here, it's very flat. There's no skyscrapers around here so
Yeah.
much. The opposite side of us right now is Wat Paknam, Pasi Jalan. Wat means temple.
Yes.
Pak means mouth. Nam means water. You see that over there?
Yeah?
That's the mouth of the water.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And Pasi Jalan. Pasi means tax.
Okay.
Yeah, Jalan. Jalan. Just
Yes.
your name.
Yeah, my name.
Right?
I'm
And
famous here.
Yeah, this is Krong Dam.
Yes.
Point. Back then, when Portuguese, the first foreigners country, they came from that way maybe 300 or 400 years ago.
Okay.
The monk in here, they collect the money.
Okay. So it's
And-
like a tollway.
Yeah, like a
especially.
tollway, like
Yes.
custom.
What I like about Thonburi is that it's like an old historical area of Bangkok, and
Yeah.
you don't see that in Sukhumvit anymore.
Right.
You know,
Right.
and I think if you want to see the ancient or the old Bangkok, you should
Yeah.
come and have a look here.
Right.
And that's why, and I love what you do because also
Yeah.
what you do with the, because now I heard you have a new project with the EV boats, right?
Yeah, yeah. I have been like talking and trying to convince Persia, the boat drivers,
Yes.
2 years to change.
Yeah.
Changing to EV boat is not it's not as hard as changing the attitude
Okay.
of the people, because the people would think, oh, I've been using like the diesel for like whole life.
Yeah.
Impossible. The battery can beat the, the diesels.
Yes.
Now I asked them, do you want to go back to drive the diesel? They said no more.
Yeah. Because they have the same speed.
They have the same speed. They got allergic.
Okay.
And now
Yeah.
the allergic better.
Okay.
I think the most important is they get more money.
They get more money.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't cost the gasoline
yeah,
anymore.
Yeah.
And it's much better for the area because you don't have the noise anymore. You don't.
Right.
Yeah.
But I on the other hand, I also understand that because changing to battery from the diesel engine to battery, it's cost $500,000.
Yeah. Of course, it's expensive. It's a big
They
investment.
don't have
Yeah.
this because it's not like car. So if you're gonna buy a car, there's a down payment.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a loan from the bank.
Exactly. But this they have to pay everything
Yes,
themselves.
I actually pay them
Help them.
in
Okay.
advance. Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
So otherwise they're not gonna change. But now I think they make extra $1,000 a
Okay.
day, which
Okay.
means it's about a 30K a day.
Yeah.
Right. And I feel like now it's like the best way to change the whole canal. I have to let them talk.
Yeah.
Not. I can't,
Yeah.
I'm not a
Exactly.
boat driver.
Let them share their experience with the colleagues, and then.
with their colleague, and most of them they are families.
Yeah.
So when they're families, right? So they trust. You trust your families the most,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And now it's like we are lining up, gonna change the whole. Hopefully by next year I can change the whole Hidden Bangkok boat.
Okay.
to
How
the
many
boat.
boats do you have?
Not my boat, but they borrowed my money, so
Yeah.
to buy the boat. About 7,
7. Okay. So there will be
Yeah.
7 EV boats.
hopefully.
Yeah, Kun Om is really trying to make this area also good for the locals. This really gives me the Talad Noi vibe. There are a lot of nice little alleyways and nooks in here. And through the trees and the houses you can see the Buddha everywhere. And from here you can even rent a tour. I already mentioned it in past videos. The winter is over. It's getting really hot. As you can see, I'm sweating a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Hidden Bangkok Bistro here next to the Wat Paknam temple in Bangkok. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.